All right, let's get ready to take the I'm Ready diagnostic. Oh boy. All right, these are the things we're going to cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things with little reminders at the end. All right, but first off, you might be thinking, why? Why are we taking the I'm Ready diagnostic? So many good reasons. Understanding what you already know and what you need to learn. And to make the best use of your learning time. And to show what you know. Now, these two go together. You got to show what you know so that we can understand what you already know and what you need to learn. That's why it's important to take it seriously, so it's a real accurate representation of your vocabulary, your reading knowledge. For our friends who are new to CBLCC, here you go. The results of your diagnostic decide what lessons you will get. So, if you try your best on the diagnostic, the lessons will match what you need to learn. So, like, if you were to try to rush through it, then you're going to get lessons that are kind of easy and be boring. And I want you to not be bored and to be able to use this tool with the little fancy robots inside of it that know about your strengths and your opportunities in terms of vocab and reading and stuff to give you exactly what you need so that you can get smarter. Because that's awesome. So here's just a little bit how it works. It's an adaptive test. Like it says, it means the questions change based on your answers. So some will be hard, some will be easy, just to let you chill out and feel awesome because you're awesome. And then some will be just kind of right in the middle. And the test will actually be figuring that out. So we were all doing the at-home thing in the spring, but it wasn't as hardcore. It wasn't at the same level it is right now. So it's super important to me as your teacher in particular to know where you're at so that as the year moves on, I can pick stuff that fits. And this will really help me to plan book clubs and lit circles. What should you do? Please remember this test is adaptive. So it's okay if you get questions that you really don't know how to answer, and it's okay if some are super easy. It'll keep adjusting as the test moves. What else should you do? Please try your best, do not rush, but at the same time, don't spend too much time on any one question, right? There's a certain point where you know whether you're sure of the answer or not. Once you hit that, sure, look back at the reading, make your best guess, but then move on. Don't overthink it. You will see questions you don't know how to answer because you haven't learned them yet. Again, this is totally fine. I love that these images are people lifting weights because a diagnostic is kind of like a fitness test. This is about what to expect. So you're going to see this, and then I'm your English humanities teacher, so you're going to pick reading. There you go. And then you're going to see this screen. You're going to watch a video. And for those of you who have done this before, you already know it goes, "Hi, I'm Devin." And then they talk about that. Click on each button. And don't forget, you have to click on all of them. You have to click on all the little buttons and watch the little movies before you can press start. Once you start or resume your diagnostic, you will see this question pop up on your screen. It's asking you if you're working at school or at home. All of y'all are at home, so you're going to check no. You're checking no, you're at home. And then you're going to move on. And now here are some helpful tips. I'm going to let you look at those for a second. A couple important things are to not rush and to check your work before going on. Again, that's because this test is adaptive. So if you just rush to the next one, and maybe you got it wrong when you really could have figured it out if you had maybe reread the passage, then it's going to keep making the test easier, and that thing is going to happen where the lessons are going to be too easy for you because of the rushing.
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve.